babes, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be decluttering and organizing my kitchen cabinets, my kitchen drawers, and everything else in this kitchen except for the pantry or in the refrigerator. That's already clean and organized. So this is part 2 of our series of moving, decluttering, and organizing. We're tossing, we're giving away, and we may be keeping a couple of things. So if this is something that you guys would like to see, please keep on watching.
Hey babes, before we get started, again, I apologize for my sound, and here I completely lost the sound, but I'm just showing you a few items that I will be using today, like this box that will be for donations. I have my bags that will be for garbage, and my cleaners and my vacuum cleaner. Moving is the perfect time to declutter. So I'm going through every cabinet and drawer, sorting items into donate, toss, and keep piles. Well, I'm not really gonna have a keep pile. I may have a maybe pile, but not a keep pile. I'm just gonna place everything back into the cabinets once I'm done cleaning them out. I'm just showing you a few items that I use to actually organize my dishes. I love these stands. I got them from Home Goods a while back, probably about 3 years ago. I don't know if they still have them, but if you're looking for something like these, check them out. Whenever I'm decluttering, I like to take everything out. I like to start in sections. So pulling everything out from these 2 shelves, because at the very top, I've already decluttered that, so I'm not worried about that. I have some things in here that may be chipped or even broken, so I'm just gonna throw those and toss them into the bag. And I have some things that I will be keeping, and some like this, I will donate. I have said this time and time again, and I may say it again in this video, but I love working in sections. And the reason for that is because I feel like it makes me feel more productive and to get things done in a timely manner. It helps me see exactly what I have and makes it easier to decide what stays and what goes. This part always looks chaotic to me. It just feel like it's a whole bunch of chaos. But trust the process. We're gonna get this going. I know some like taking everything out and putting it all over the countertops, but I am just not that way. I am built differently. I get overwhelmed and I just walk away. I cannot do this. So that's why I like to work in sections, whether that's cleaning or decluttering and also organizing. Remember, I know I said that there should be a maybe pile, and that's true. It should be a maybe pile, because at the end of the day, it's only going to be 3 piles. That is going to be keep, toss, and donate. You see what I'm saying? Because that maybe pile, you got to think about it. Should I keep this or should I toss it? Have I used it within a year? Will I use it ever? I doubt it. So just toss it or donate it. I didn't want to take this part out, but I'm sorry again. I don't know what happened. If you can read lips, then read my lips, but I'm going to just give you the short version because I do not know what I was saying. But I do know that I'm talking about the top of my shelf, which includes all my serving dishes, my teacup, and my bowls, and some more serving bowls and soup bowls and serving trays. So all of this stuff, I've already went through it, organized it, cleaned it, and I will be keeping it. What I like to do is work in sections, okay? So I'm gonna clean them and then I'm gonna put everything back in here and organize it, even though I felt it was organized already. It just had some chipped bowls in here and some non-clean ones. Yeah, I could have went through the whole kitchen and pulled everything out, but then I wouldn't have space. So that doesn't make sense to me. Are you decluttering and organizing with me? Let me know down in the comments. Now that we have everything out, I'm giving these cabinets a good wipe down, and it feels so nice to start fresh. So let's vacuum and clean these shelves off. put everything back into the cabinets the way it actually belongs and that actually makes sense. I'm grouping similar items together and keeping my most used items within easy reach. And I feel like it will just make it feel more organized. Fun. Decluttering, organizing, and cleaning can be exhausting. So do a little dance around the kitchen, listen to your favorite music, throw on a podcast or something. Step back and look at your transformation. The cabinets feel so much lighter, and I know packing will be way easier now. This is everything I'm getting rid of. It is crazy how much stuff piles up over time. I got my toss, I got my donate. Into the seasonings. Now this cabinet is horrifying. Like my kids just learned how to cook certain things and they just throw everything into the cabinet now and don't wipe it off. You don't know how frustrating that is. And if you do, let me know. Let me know. Pulling everything out of these cabinets. We're going to do the same thing we did to the other side. We're going to throw away expired seasonings and whatever else is in here at this point. And then we're going to vacuum and wipe it down.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free, just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to
In case you missed it last Thursday, we are doing a giveaway. This is a little something that will help you start your decluttering journey and organization. Now, if you just entered to win, all you have to do is go ahead and be subscribed, like both of these videos and the ones afterward, and a comment on this video and the one before this one with the answer, what's the hardest area for you to declutter? That's it. It's so simple and easy, and the end date for this giveaway is April 15th.
You will like me just the way I am, and I will like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
going to use my two-sided blade because I couldn't get the honey and the seasoning up with just my degreaser and soap and water. It will not come up for nothing. So now I'm using both sides of this blade to get that honey up, and I am being very gentle not to scrape up anything. Mind you, these cabinets are very cheap, not well put together at all, but I am being as gentle as I possibly can.
What you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like to.
Note that this is a rare occasion that my cabinets even look this bad. It's just lately I've been doing so much and I haven't had the chance to come in here, take everything out, clean it since the beginning of December. Or was that November? November, because I started cleaning out everything right before Thanksgiving. I'm just wiping down everything that I'm placing back into the cabinet. And of course, I know you guys see that little drip stain. You see how I wiped half of it and didn't finish it? I thought I did. Now I'm going to go back in there and actually do that because I didn't see that until now. Anyway, I'm placing everything back, organizing it, putting things that I know we use right in front. It is so much seasoning. I did my best to get rid of all the expired and dried up stuff that I possibly could. Now, this is what we have left. I wanted to actually turn this into a really nice cabinet, but since I'm moving, I'm not going to do that. I wanted to grab some glass jars like the other ones and some big ones, and I wanted to just make everything aesthetically pleasing for me to see, even though I don't use these 24/7. My mom is the cook in my house. I don't really cook that much, and when I do, it is something that I am very passionate about and something that I love that makes me cook. Now, I'm going to go through this spinner, and as you can tell, there is a lot of stuff in here. I found a lot of expired and duplicates of things, but duplicates are fine because it wasn't even open, and we're going to use it. Eventually, it will get used before 2029, believe me. Now we're starting with the top shelf. Now I don't have to do much up here, just like I didn't have to do in the other one because it was organized. The kids just rearranged some things. Now I normally keep up here are the smoothie glasses and sometimes maybe a favorite mug that my older boys don't want the younger ones to get to. So that's what's up here, and maybe my gravy bowls and my dessert plates. That's what I keep at the top of this cabinet. Now, all I have to do is organize everything, like I said, and then just clean it up a little bit, and that's it.
I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be alright. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will undertake you.
To keep these in easy reach and from being broken, I decided to put them up here with the seasonings because they always come up broke. And we're done in this cabinet.
Okay, this is the last top cabinet that I have to go through, and I can't even get the door open. I really don't have to do much in here at all. I don't even have to clean the shelves because my mom came in here to help me out. And she decided to leave a couple of wine glasses and all of these plates up here. She didn't want to be responsible of those breaking. And I feel her because I want to put them up in something that's more secure. And we've been leaving medication in here for right now. So we don't have anything to do in here, but just organize it a little bit and make it look nice.
I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I
we're just keeping a couple of wine glasses in here for right now. Put that over to the side. And I still have these in here. I don't have any paper to wrap them, and I guess she ran out of paper, so I have to get some paper to wrap these. That's gonna be in a completely another video. So like I said, I have some of the kids' vitamins, some pain pills, a lot of pain pills. I'll be a lot lately. So, oh, this is not even supposed to be out. That's supposed to be in a refrigerator. And then, yes, we can leave these. You know something? No. They act like they don't want to take their vitamins when they're supposed to. So I have all of that in here, and then I'm going to put, has this expired? This hasn't expired, so I'm going to put my mother's collagen and her greens. These expired. She didn't even got that much in there. Then we got some more here. When did this expire? Oh, this is out of there. This one hasn't. These are super greens. And this is empty, so. This is everything that I am keeping in here. Got a few things down here. We normally put shots in these little glasses here, so I'm going to keep these in here. We put turmeric, beet juice shots, wheatgrass shots, all of that goes in these little bottles. So we're gonna keep them down in here. And that's about it. So the other stuff that I have is garbage. That's organized at the top. All of that's organized, so I don't have to do anything in here until it's time to pack it away.
If you enjoyed this video, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video, because in the next one I am going to be doing a part 2, because I did not want you to be too overwhelmed with trying to declutter this kitchen with me. It would have took way too long. Now, that video will be posted on Tuesday at 4 p.m. And then the other one that is coming up, which will be me going from room to room decluttering the closets, that will be hitting on Thursday at 4 o'clock. Now, as much as I enjoyed you all, I have to get up out of here. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and remember, enter the giveaway, because on April 15th, I will be announcing who the lucky winner is. If you have not tuned into this video, I need you to go ahead and watch that video next. And until next time, I love you all so much. Bye.
Understand.